Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about AI image generation in this new series. In this video we are going to cover what is an AI image generation, how it works, importance of the good prompt, real world use cases, common mistakes to avoid, and pro workflow to get the best results. So be till the end of this video with me and concentrate on each and every word I say to you. Try to understand what I am trying to tell you and learn with ease. So, watch the video till the end. So, let us begin. So, before we begin, let me explain you how I am going to cover these all 15 points in 3 video parts. As you can see here in this video, which is the first video, I am going to explain you the 5 points such as what is AI image generation, how it works, prompts explained, style and art types, and negative prompts. In the next video, we will cover realistic photos, anime and cartoon, logo creation, product mockups, editing existing images, and in the last video, we will see how to upscale images, face consistency, AI video from images, best tools compared, and pro tips and tools with summary. So watch this video till the end so you will understand the next videos better. So let us start with what is AI image generation. Let us understand what AI image generation really is and how it turns simple text into stunning visuals. So AI image generation is the process of creating unique high quality images just from text prompt. You describe what you want and AI brings it to life. It all starts with a prompt. You describe a scene, style or idea. The more detailed you are, the better the results. The AI analyzes the prompt, understands objects, style, lighting, and context using patterns it learned during the training process. Then the model generates the image pixel by pixel, often using diffusion, starting from noise and then refining it step by step. It's just seconds, you get a high quality unique image that matches your input. This can be used for designing, content creation, marketing, gaming, storytelling, and possibilities are massive. The key benefits of this are it's fast, highly creative, accessible to anyone, accurate in style understanding, and incredibly impactful for real world use. So, your imagination plus AI equals limitless visuals. Let us quickly understand how AI image generation actually works, the tech behind the images you see on social media and thumbnails. Different models power this. Modern tools use diffusion, olders use scans. Different methods, same goal, realistic images. Now what is diffusion? In diffusion, AI starts with noise and by step turn it into a clear image. That's how most modern tools work. Now let me tell you what is GAN. GAN is like two AI competing with each other. One is creating and one is checking. And this happens multiple times until the image is perfect. This improves realism over time. And let us see what is latent space. AI does not draw directly here. It mixes patterns internally to create a new visual inside a latent space. Next we see conditioning. Your prompt controls everything. More detail is more professional output. So let's see fine tuning. Brands and creators or custom companies train AI for custom styles and visuals for their own products. This is called fine tuning, a custom model for the specific use. Prompting power. Small changes in prompt is big difference in the results. Upscaling can also be done and editing turns good images into high quality ones like 4K, 8K and DSLR quality. Multimodal AI systems can now generate AI images and also from that images create videos together. So if you want an image, it can generate one, and if you want to generate a video from that image, it will do the same in the same app. Now what are the limitations for this? It's powerful but not perfect. You still need iterations. You have to try again and again because it is AI and AI makes mistakes. Why this actually matters? This is already used in content, ad, and design, and if you understand it, you control it. So, if you want to learn all this in detail, comment detailed AI image course, and I will create a full series on these topics. Now, let's understand the most important skill which is used for image generation, that is called the prompts. The difference between an average image and a stunning one is how you ask. Because of this thing known as prompt. A prompt is simply your instruction to the AI. You are not just typing, you are directing the AI like a creative brief. It is like giving a recipe to the AI to create something. The better your prompt, the better your result. The better your recipe, the better the taste. Clear, detailed, and specific prompt always outperforms short, vague ones. So, your prompt must be better, detailed, and specific, not just a random typed prompt. Instead of saying mountain lake, say a breathtaking sunset over a mountain lake, covered peaks with snow, calm water, reflection, dramatic cloud, ultra realistic, high detail 8K image. Now you are guiding lighting, mood, and quality. Instead of a woman, try close-up portrait of a young woman, soft natural lighting, shallow depth of field, photorealistic 85 mm lens, high detail. Now this looks like professional DSLR quality photo shoot. Okay, so now when you are writing mountain lake or a woman, the AI is no direction. It's guessing, and then that's why the looks are generic and inconsistent. So, whenever you write a prompt, there is a structure on what you have to write. So, the structure is like this. First, you have to define the subject, what you want, the details you require, like description, the lighting, how you need, mood and feel, style, realistic 3D or cinematic, then the quality of the image, 4K, 8K, or ultra detailed. Misses this, and the result drops. The image becomes very bad and unrealistic. YouTubers use detailed prompts for thumbnail, designers use them from product ads, creators use them for Instagram content, and same tools gives better prompt and better results. You don't need to get it perfect in one try, even professionals try them again and again to get the best output. If you learn prompt writing properly, you don't just generate image, you control them. Style is what transforms a normal AI image into something visually powerful. Same idea, different style, completely different results. AI don't just generate image, it generates styles. The style you choose defines the mood, realism, and overall impact of the output. For example, photorealistic style looks like a real photo. Digital art is sharp and vibrant. Anime focuses on expressive characters. Watercolor feels soft and realistic. Oil painting gives a classical feel, cyberpunk gives futuristic visuals, and 3D renders are used for product level design. A thumbnail, a Instagram post, and a product ad can all use same concept but require completely different styles. That's why choosing the right style is critical. There is no best style. The best style is one that matches your goal, whether it is realism, creativity, branding, or storytelling. To get better results, focus on being clear and what you want, choosing the right style, and thinking about how the final image will be used. Lighting control mood. Bright feels energetic, dark feels dramatic. Composition control focuses, where the viewers looks first. Colors changes perception. Warm tones feel inviting, cool tones feel calm and futuristic. This is how professionals guide emotion through visuals. You won't get perfect result in one try. Even designers refine multiple times, adjusting style, lighting, and composition. The real skill is not just generating images, it is choosing the right style for the right purpose. When you master styles, your image stops looking random and starts looking intentional. When you want clean professional AI images, this is a trick that most people ignore. It is called negative prompts. Negative prompts tell you AI what to avoid. Instead of only saying what you want, you also say and tell it what you don't need. So AI don't always get everything perfect. Sometimes it adds extra element, distortion, and unwanted details. Negative prompt help remove those issues. You've probably seen problems like extra fingers or limbs, distorted faces, blurry outputs, random text, or watermark. These are very common in AI generated images. When you don't control these issues, the results look messy, unrealistic, and unprofessional. But when you guide it to AI properly, you get sharper images, better anatomy, cleaner visuals, and more realistic images. For example, if you are creating a YouTube thumbnail, add visual, even small errors like text artifacts or bad hand can reduce quality. Negative prompt help you fix that. This also saves time. Instead of regenerating image again and again, you guided the AI correctly from the start. Always think in two directions, what you want and what you want to avoid. That balance gives the best output. Professionals don't just add details, they remove problems before they happen. So once you start using negative prompt, your results instantly look cleaner and more professional. Good job, you have completed the first part of the AI image generation journey. In this video, we built a strong foundation. We understood what AI image generation is, how it works behind the scene, prompt control outputs, style, shape, visuals, and how negative prompt improve quality. At this point, you are no longer beginner. You understand how to guide AI instead of guessing. But this is just a start. The next part will go deeper into practical and more advanced use cases. These are the skills that actually turns AI into real tools for content creation and business use. So don't stop here, continue your next video and unlock the full potential. The best results are ahead, let's keep building. Once you understand how it works in real life, you stop experimenting randomly and start creating a purpose. And if you want to go deeper into each of these concepts like diffusion prompts, styles, and advanced workflows, I can create a dedicated detailed series on each of these topics. Just comment AI image series below and I will build it step by step for you. Now, these are some of the prompts which are given. You can screenshot them and just use them and see how it works. Now there is a surprise for you all. In the description below there is a link for a file which has 30 high quality prompts for image generation and your practice. So download the file and try it yourself and be with me in my next video for a new file with more detailed and more prompts. Thanks for staying till the end. Really appreciate your support. I hope you learned something valuable from me today. Keep practicing, keep creating and keep improving. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to ArkByte for more AI tutorials and practical content. And if you want more details and behind the scenes tips and updates, follow me on Instagram. Also, if you want to create a detailed AI image course covering everything step by step, just comment detailed AI image course below. Like, share and comment. It really helps me to grow. See you in the next one.